Hi everyone, today we are going to make a video about turning a Python script into an executable and execute it in Windows. So let's start. First we need a specific library for that, but I will install virtual environment, so it will only be restricted to this project. Good. The library is installed, so I can use it to transform my project into an executable file. Since it's one file option, I will move my classes into my main. Good. Now I have my executable file, which will display the content of my program. Good. Now you can add more properties or build a different executable file from a full project instead of one file with different modules. The help option, you can see what you can do for a better understanding. See you next time.